guys. This is hail. I was going to try and make it inside. My dogs are safe and they're inside. And I cannot run through this right now. I was just trying to get the car parked in a safe spot. And because I'm not in my van. And holy shamoly. Us Wisconsinites are electrifying, aren't we? Good grief. Yowza. Okay, bigger hail. Bigger hail. Ah, shit. Nice knowing y'all.